Integration is a rather vague term in programming. Basically, it wouldn't be wrong to say it has two main distinguishable meanings. The first one regards having a system or an architecture composed of a few different software products, various programming languages, or other pieces of software which can communicate with each other via APIs or a common API. The second meaning of the term integration is the more classical one, which refers to a situation where multiple software products can be set up to work as one tool. The idea here is to enhance the functionality and the performance of an already existing application, thus solving a certain business problem quicker and more efficiently. Apart from the two distinct meanings, we could say there's a third type of integration. It represents a mixture of the first two. This is precisely the case of the example below. We will explore how a software program can be integrated with one programming language using the first type of integration and with another one using the second type. Okay, now let's see an instance of software integration. Imagine a piece of software that could store the data you have on a local level, another product that could use it to make calculations, and a third one which could plot results beautifully, thus delivering the outcome of your research in a clear and easy to illustrate manner. Such is the case with SQL, Python, and Tableau. You can use SQL to organize, keep, and manipulate your data in a structure that can be sent over to Python for study. There, you can apply various statistical analysis tools to make predictions based on your current information. Then, Tableau, one of the most widely used tools for data visualization, can use the obtained output to deliver meaningful representations, allowing managers or executives to immediately spot the trends you have discovered or predicted. This form of integration is somehow centralized and happens from the point of view of Tableau. So, what can we say about integrating SQL and Tableau? We've reached the moment when we must explain the meaning of the term driver. A car driver obviously drives a car, and in a similar way, a software driver can drive a certain software product within another one. It is a piece of software too. However, its function is to mediate between two products. How is that possible? Isn't JSON a universally accepted format? How come Python and SQL will share the same type of code, not just an ordinary text file? Tableau has built-in drivers that can read code which is native to other programming languages, in this case, SQL. So, through Tableau, you can execute SQL code, and the drivers will help you apply the code you've written to the SQL database you've been connected to, thus delivering you the desired data. Then, using this dataset and regarding the combination of Tableau and Python, instead of passing information through the respective APIs, it appears that the two software products communicate with each other by sharing the same code and functions through a common API. My point here is, Python is one programming language. Tableau is a software written in another one, C++. However, the two software products can interact thanks to TabPy, which is a type of API called a REST API. From the perspective of Tableau, TabPy's server allows you to execute Python code remotely and on the fly thanks to a built-in driver. Then, you can use the obtained results in Tableau. So, different to using interfaces, where information is being sent from point A to point B over an API in a certain text format, this type of integration involves multiple software products having a common API and built-in drivers. Each component of the SQL Python Tableau system can send information that is afterwards processed towards the other components that have drivers executing the foreign language code. In addition, integration can happen online or locally, but in our example, you needn't think too much about that. Just remember that Tableau has built-in drivers that may leave the user completely unaware of their existence. Nevertheless, they allow Tableau to centralize the advantages of using SQL relations and Python computations to take the data from your database, apply state-of-the-art analysis, and then visualize the output in Tableau. Great! In the next section, we will work with Python, SQL, and Tableau to solve an ambitious business task. Are you excited to begin this challenge? I hope you are. Thank you for watching.